In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable the hotspot Wi-Fi on your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro so that you can share your phone's internet connection with other devices by other people or your own devices. So go to the app screen and look for the settings icon. Tap on it. That takes you to the main settings page. Tap on network and internet, and then go to hotspot and tethering. Tap on that, and then you should see Wi-Fi hotspot. So you want to turn on that toggle button to enable the Wi-Fi hotspot. So now other people with devices can scan for available Wi-Fi networks and find your Pixel 8 Pro or Pixel 8. So for instance, let me just quickly do a search with my other device here. So as you can see, the Pixel has been detected, okay? And I can just tap on that to connect to the Pixel hotspot. Of course, the password is going to be when you tap on that, and you should see the hotspot password here, okay? So once I enter that password, I should get connected to my phone's internet connection. So to disable, that's where you turn it off from, okay? Now you can tap on this and you can change the hotspot name if you want to. You can change the hotspot password, and also you can choose to turn off hotspot automatically when there are no devices connected. This helps to save battery life. But as far as enabling the Wi-Fi hotspot is concerned, this is it: turning on and turning off. Now you can also do it quickly from the quick setting tiles. So just swipe down, and then on these settings tiles you have a hotspot button. You can turn it on and turn it off from here very quickly without going into the settings. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.